it's Fran. I just thought I might do a little movement today, little sitting exercises for this full moon and this lunar eclipse and equinox, and April 5th or 8th is another solar eclipse. So it's a kind of a wild time. So I just want to move a little bit and maybe just take a breath, So let's take a breath, take a deep breath and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Let's just raise your shoulders up and down and up and down. One more. Up and down. Let's just take your hands and just make them flex and just get that energy moving a little bit. So your hands are moving while we're talking, or I'm talking, but it's like a rhythm. Okay, so you're getting the energy. Imagine the energy going through your fingers, kind of running energy down your legs to your feet. So each time you just do this, you're just moving in rhythm, very small. Take a deep breath. And so this is energy, right? So imagine you're pulling a line of energy away from you and then dropping it down to the floor. And again, let's just take this energy, just take a deep breath. Imagine if you've had some energy that you need to get rid of or release, you're pulling it away from you and then dropping it down to the center of the earth. One more time, just imagine. Maybe an argument, a disagreement, whatever is not keeping you grounded, and release. Good. Let's take your hands and come to the heart. Take a deep breath and exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. This is that CV17. So you're pushing on the sternum. This is about releasing sadness or grief. Inhale and exhale. So you're breathing through that lung, or both lungs, just pressing into the sternum just very gently. Inhale, but we're bringing in love as we're releasing. So let's bring your knuckles forward. It's to the edge of your aura. And then bring it out. And then release down. Flex your hands like this. And let that go. So let's come in again. Inhale. Exhale. Press your knuckles together and bring it forward. Open. And release. Good. Bring your hands here. Now raise your shoulders up and down. Up and down. Nice. Now we're going to take another pressure point. This is the 5th chakra, but also pressure points on the collarbone. This opens up the lungs as well. Good. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to go to the 6th. Oh my gosh, the mind. Busy mind. So just imagine that your fingers are right between the pituitary, between the eyebrows, okay? And the thumbs are at the temple. And you're going to draw a line around your head and then bring it back with your fingertips here. And again, so we're kind of brain balancing, right? And again, just simple, simple, and good. Very nice. Now we're going to take the hands here. So your right or left is in front of the head. So it's the front of the brain, the back of the brain. And we're just going to turn our head. So you're following the front fingers or hand to the right or left and here. And then you're going to go up to the ceiling and down to your lap and come center. You're just saying hello to each direction. Inhale, exhale, up and down to your lap. Good. And you're drawing, this is the 7th. So top of the head, connection to source, right? So this is what we need to keep thinking of, connecting to source. And bring your arms around and here and come back to the 7th and up. Inhale, open, and one more. And as you do that, open the elbows, keeping your fingertips at the top of the head. Just close your eyes for a minute. And you're just imagine running energy down your spine, feeling your legs and your feet, and allowing that grounding cord to be to the center of the earth, all the way down 4,000 miles down, bringing in the earth elements, earth, air, water, fire, into your space at the first chakra, at the base of the spine. Bring it in, female or male ground, including your reproductive organs. And you're meeting is energy running through the top of the head to the first chakra. So you're saying hello to all those chakras in your feet, staying grounded, releasing the front of the hips. Take a deep breath again and come back to your heart and just close your eyes for a second. And breathe. Feel your seat and your legs. And the quietness, groundedness of you, your uniqueness in your presence. Let the day go, let the evening go, and just be aware. Okay, thank you. Have a great day, night, or afternoon. Thank you.